Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to sort numbers and find unique numbers from a list of okay. So basically the question goes like this: either you have to find out unique numbers from a list of numbers, like remove the duplicate ones, or um, sort the list of numbers in ascending order. Okay, so let's begin. Have a look at the program and have a look at the output and how it goes from here. Alright guys, so from the list of numbers it gives me two answers. The first one shows if it's sorted in ascending order how the result is, and the unique numbers. Removing the duplicate numbers, I will show you these are the unique numbers, which are the non-duplicate numbers. Okay, so let's have a look at the logic. If you have watched the previous video, it was on palindrome text. That was a different question, and this is something related to it. As you have already heard of the website that I mentioned, this one, .NET so pretty much good enough questions are in this website. I'm not promoting this website, but it's a good reference for you. You will almost find all matching logical problems in this website. That's going to help you out. Okay, so instead of me or anyone else letting you know like what are the questions, you will find a list of questions in this website. That's going to help you out a lot. Okay, so coming back to our program, we have created a method which is named unique, and I have an array which is of integer type. The next is a variable that's pulling out the length of this array, and then we are using the array.Sort, and that's going to sort the list of numbers in our array in an ascending order. Okay, so then we print it with the Console.WriteLine. String.Join will use this comma to join all the arrays and form it as a string. Here we are converting the array into a string, and then the heading unique numbers. Then we have the program logic, which is going to give us a result of the non-duplicate numbers. So guys, in this video I have covered two questions. One is sorting in ascending order, and the second one is finding out the non-duplicate numbers from a list of numbers. Okay, so that's pretty much for this video. That's the programming logic that here I have explained. Also, some tips for experienced person is, see, if you are showing up an experience, say more than 3 years around, you're applying for a senior position in development or a senior programmer, then you wouldn't get questions like what is an object-oriented programming, what is a polymorphism. You wouldn't get questions like that. Okay, so the questions have to be uh, for an experienced person who has an idea of how the logic in a program runs. So you must prepare the logics. Logical problems is something which you must be prepared for it. There should be one question, even if you spoiled the uh, voice interview, the question round, the question and answers, and you still know the logical of a program, you're still going to achieve success on that interview. Okay, so mostly the interviewer is going to follow the logic that you have put in the program and how you are helping him out. Okay, so also in case of questions that we have, what kind of questions or the question answers is going to put you up, the voice questions. So normally you would not start like give me some what is an integer, what is an array. You wouldn't start with that. Your direct question could be like, what is the reflection in C sharp? Okay, what is reflection, what is indexers in C sharp, and how do you index, what is serialization and deserialization, what is boxing and unboxing. She can also ask you to give an example. So you could get a question like, give me an example of boxing and unboxing in the chat menu. So also, if you are going for an online interview, some tips to mention: your screen is going to be shared. You will have a shared screen, and your phone camera would be on. Like you will have your desktop camera on and the phone camera on. So you would be visible on two cameras, one from the computer, one from the phone. So it's like they take the maximum possible verification to check that you are not doing any cheating. Okay, and remember, you are not going to follow any tutorials to write your program. It's your memory, it's your remembering ability that you know the program, you know the logic, and you put down the answer. Okay, so moving on to the SQL part, they could ask you like um, yeah, CTE. CTE could be a common question like the nth highest salary using SQL Server, um, or they can ask you like the manager and an employee relationship. How would you find that one? Okay, so those are the kind of questions that you might receive in case of a um, technical round or an experienced person's interview. Okay. All right, guys. So that's pretty much about this video. I hope you understand the logic which is explained um, in this statement. And if you want, I'm going to put that in the description part. That would help you a lot, and you can follow that website. Okay. Till then, till our next video comes up. Yeah. Have a good day and happy coding. Thank you.